Hi guys, I'm my new vlog and I like to super machine and that is the super machine. That is a super machine. So cool. And the machine is count to and feel. Okay. And to super machine and got to go and to jump and super up. Okay, okay. And you're are you say okay game. Bugs. Okay, okay, folks. Toads. Perfect. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, again. And that is machine is super cool and are you testing?
Ano sabi ulit?
And and okay, guys. Game. First, box. Bilis take Tagalog. Ayan. Tagalog na tayo. Hirap na hirap ako mag-English. Ayan. Ayan. Una, mag-box kayo, di ba? Tapos, sirain nyo. Yan. Sulat nyo. TP. QP. TP, QP. Ano pa ba yun? 0, 67 at 0. Okay, ganyan. Tapos, lagyan nyo ng ganyan. Tapos, kumuha ka ng ganyan. And, gumanyan pindutin nyo yung gitna. Ayan. Tapos, tanggalin na natin yan. Tapos, ipalit natin dyan ay pinto. Itong iron door dapat. Ay, gagsti. Napunta tuloy ako dito. Yung bugs. O, diba nakita nyo? Dapat mamaya na kayo tatapak dyan. And like, and magano kayo ng 1, 2, 3. Hanggang 3 po. Hanggang 3 lang nyo na po lalagyan yung dyan. Ano na po lalagyan ng ganyan. Dapat ilalagay nyo po yung redstone lamp. Ayan. Tapos lagyan nyo ng button isa lamp. Tapos lagyan mo ng ganyan. Tapos mamaya mo lagyan ng ganyan. Lagyan mo muna ng mga doors. Dapat ganyan. Okay. Ganyan po. Ganyan. And ganyan. So, filing to here. Okay. Matatapos na po sila. Matatapos na po. Wala na lang po yun dito. Ay, nagkamali. Sorry po guys. Ayan. And to go to first button. That is the first button. And the button is this. That. Okay. And brown to go. Okay, wow. What else? Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching and magagawin na kasi. Kaya bye. Subscribe my YouTube channel muna bago nyo pa yun. At like nyo po. Please, sige na po para dumami po yung subscriber ko. Thank you. Sorry. Bye.